In this video we look at context managers and the with statement, Python's built-in way to handle setup and cleanup automatically, even when things go wrong. When you open a file, you are responsible for closing it. If your code crashes before you close it, that cleanup never runs. The with statement solves this by guaranteeing cleanup no matter what happens. Think of with like a helpful librarian. They set everything up for you at the start and tidy up at the end, regardless of why you left. You focus on your work, not the housekeeping. The with keyword is followed by open, which creates or opens the file. The as keyword gives that open file the name f, so you can use it inside the block. The indented body is where you do your work. Here we write the text, hi to the file. When the block ends, Python closes the file for you automatically, no extra call needed. Whether the block finishes normally or raises an error, Python still closes the file. That guarantee is the whole point of the with statement. We write hi to a file, then read it back in a second with block, and finally print the contents. The output is simply hi. Both files are closed the moment each with block ends. The with statement relies on two special methods, dunder enter and dunder exit. Dunder enter sets things up, and dunder exit tears them down. The file object returned by open already has both. Without with you must call close yourself, and any error in between means the file stays open. With Hora, cleanup is guaranteed, and your code is shorter and easier to read. Remember, with is Python's way of saying I will take care of the cleanup. Use it whenever you open files, database connections, or any resource that needs to be released. It keeps your code safe and clean.